C++ interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. This is a structured set of commonly asked C++ interview questions with clear answers. It covers quick C++ fundamentals, OOP concepts, pointers and memory, STL, standard template library, multithreading, performance optimization, advanced system-level concepts. This is widely used for system programming, backend, embedded, and game development interviews. 1 to 20. C++ Basics 1. What is C++? C++ is a high-performance, object-oriented programming language developed as an extension of C. 2. What are features of C++? Check. Object-oriented? Check. High-performance? Check. Low-level memory access? Check. Portable? Check. Generic programming. 3. What is the difference between C and C++? C means procedural, C++ means object-oriented plus procedural. 4. What is a class? Blueprint for objects. 5. What is an object? Instance of a class. 6. What is encapsulation? Wrapping data and methods together. 7. What is inheritance? One class acquires properties of another. 8. What is polymorphism? Same interface, different behavior. 9. What is abstraction? Hiding implementation details. 10. What is constructor? Special method used to initialize objects. 11. Types of constructors. Default, parameterized, copy constructor. 12. What is destructor? Automatically called when object is destroyed. 13. What is this pointer?
Pointer to current object.
14. What is function overloading? Same function name with different parameters. 15. What is operator overloading? Defining operators for custom objects. 16. What is inline function? Suggests compiler to insert function code directly. 17. What is namespace? Prevents naming conflicts. 18. What is reference variable? Alias for another variable. 19. Pointer versus reference. Pointer means can be reassigned, null reference means must reference existing variable. 20. What is dynamic memory allocation? Allocating memory during runtime. 21 to 40. Memory and pointers. 21. What is a pointer? Variable storing memory address. 22. What is null pointer?
Pointer pointing to nothing.
23. What is dangling pointer? Pointer referencing freed memory. 24. What is wild pointer? Uninitialized pointer. 25. What is smart pointer? Automatic memory management pointer. 26. Types of smart pointers: unique PTR, shared PTR, weak PTR. 27. What is stack memory? Stores local variables and function calls. 28. What is heap memory? Dynamic memory allocation area. 29. What is memory leak? Allocated memory not released. 30. What is RAII? Resource acquisition is initialization. 31. What is new operator? Allocates memory dynamically. 32. What is delete operator? Frees allocated memory. 33. Malloc versus new. Malloc means C-style allocation. New means constructor-aware allocation. 34. Free versus delete. Free means C memory release. Delete means destructor-aware release. 35. What is shallow copy? Copies pointer addresses. 36. What is deep copy? Copies actual data. 37. What is copy constructor? Creates object from another object. 38. What is move semantics? Transfers ownership instead of copying. 39. What is R-value reference? Int and AX equals 10. 40. What is std move? Converts object into movable state. 41 to 60. STL, standard template library. 41. What is STL? Library of containers and algorithms. 42. What are STL containers? Vector, list, map, set, queue. 43. What is vector? Dynamic array. 44. Vector versus array. Vector means dynamic size, array means fixed size. 45. What is list? Doubly linked list. 46. What is map? Key value sorted container. 47. What is unordered map? Hash table-based map. 48. Map versus unordered map. Map means ordered. Unordered map means faster average lookup. 49. What is set? Stores unique values. 50. What is iterator? Used to traverse containers. 51. What is auto keyword? Automatic type deduction. 52. What is template? Generic programming feature. 53. Function template example. Template t add ta, tb, return a plus b. 54. What is class template? Generic class definition. 55. What is lambda expression? Int x, return x times 2. 56. What is algorithm library? STL algorithms, like sort, find. 57. What is sort? Sorts container elements. 58. What is pair? Stores two values together. 59. What is tuple? Stores multiple values. 60. What is DQ? Double-ended queue. 61 to 80. OOP and advanced concepts. 61. What is virtual function? Enables runtime polymorphism. 62. What is pure virtual function?
Function without implementation.
63. What is abstract class? Class with pure virtual function. 64. What is vtable? Table used for virtual dispatch. 65. What is virtual destructor? Ensures proper cleanup in inheritance. 66. What is multiple inheritance? Class inherits from multiple classes. 67. What is diamond problem? Ambiguity from multiple inheritance. 68. How to solve diamond problem? Virtual inheritance. 69. What is friend function? Non-member function accessing private data. 70. What is static keyword? Shared across objects. 71. What is const keyword? Prevents modification. 72. What is mutable keyword? Allows modification in const objects. 73. What is exception handling? Runtime error handling. 74. Try catch example. Try code. Catch exception and E. 75. What is throw keyword? Throws exception. 76. What is function overriding? Redefining parent function. 77. What is function hiding? Child function hides parent version. 78. What is compile time polymorphism? Overloading templates. 79. What is runtime polymorphism? Virtual functions. 80. What is object slicing? Losing derived class data when copied as base. 81 to 100. Multithreading and performance. 81. What is multithreading? Multiple threads executing simultaneously. 82. What is thread in C++? Lightweight execution unit. 83. How to create thread. STD's thread tfunc. 84. What is mutex? Synchronization mechanism. What is deadlock? Threads waiting forever. 86. What is race condition? Unsafe shared data access. 87. What is atomic operation? Operation executed without interruption. 88. What is condition underscore variable? Thread communication mechanism. 89. What is concurrency? Multiple tasks progressing together. 90. What is parallelism? Multiple tasks executing simultaneously. 91. What is cache locality? Using nearby memory efficiently. 92. What is segmentation fault? Invalid memory access. 93. What causes segmentation fault? Check. Null pointer dereference. Check. Out of bounds access. 94. What is undefined behavior? Behavior with unpredictable results. 95. What is compiler optimization? Improving execution performance. 96. What is move constructor? Transfers resources efficiently. 97. What is emplace back? Constructs object directly in container. 98. What is constexpr? Compile time evaluation. 99. What is modern C++? C++ 11.14, 17.20, improvements. 100. How to optimize C++ performance. Minimize copies, use move semantics, optimize memory access, avoid unnecessary allocations, use efficient STL containers. Final summary. C++ interviews focus on OOP concepts, pointers in memory, STL, performance optimization, multithreading. Key idea. Strong C++ developers understand both high-level abstractions and low-level memory behavior.